Thank you all. We couldn't be more excited than to stop by Cobb. I've watched this company grow and grow and grow and become one of the just top leaders in our industry. You know, in 40 years, I've seen a lot of dealerships, and I've seen them at all different levels, but there's a few that are just at the top, and Cobb is one of those, and I couldn't be happier to see this. I'm looking forward to getting a brief tour and sharing some of the things that you do on each and every day to make our industry better. And you do it by not only serving your customers through outstanding service and support, but you also do it by serving your communities. When I see that imprint, promotion of education, fighting child hunger, supporting nonprofit, Andrew, I know you have a big job to do, but it's something that comes from the heart. And Cobb gives back from the heart, and that's part of your success and part of what you've done to ingratiate yourself in the community. We, the PAC, we've come a long way. We're almost there, folks. We're getting there. But we couldn't do it without you and each of your support. We pass a lot of dealerships on the way from Scottsdale to Washington, D.C., but there's only a few that we stop by and welcome us as you do at Cobb. So we want to thank each and every one of you. Thank you for greeting us. That
Thank
was
you.
wonderful. Thank you. We continue up to Washington, and we'll continue in the Rolling Thunder into the mall and having a great experience, but we couldn't do it without you, so we thank you. If any of you want to ride with us, I have raffle tickets that are available, and you can win a Harley just like ours. And the winning ticket is in that box, so if anyone's interested, let me know. But we want to thank you so much. Thank you for being such an icon in the interest. Oh, that's a bad word. I forget this industry. But they're gone. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all, and thank you for having us. Right. Thank you.